Are you tired of the same old look of your Samsung navigation bar? Well, you're in luck. Today I'll show you how to make your nav bar transparent in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on the developer options. If you don't find the developer options here, then tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information, then tap on Build Number for 7 times. And then go back to the settings page. Under the About Phone option, here you will find the developer options. Now tap on it, then scroll down a little bit, find the transparent navigation bar option, and then toggle it on. Here it is. So there you have it, folks. That's how you can make your navigation bar transparent on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. We value your feedback, so feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.